Getting Microsoft Store error code 0x80244007 and apps not installing on your PC? In this video, I'll show you simple ways to fix the error and get Microsoft Store working again. First, right-click on the Windows Start button. Open Settings. Click on Apps. Now click on Installed Apps. Click on System Components. Find Microsoft Store and click on the three dots. Click on Advanced Options. Now click on Terminate. After that, click on Repair. Finally, click on Reset. Next solution, run PowerShell commands. Now search for PowerShell. Click on Run as Administrator. Click Yes. Now copy the first command from the video description. Paste it here by pressing Ctrl+V and press Enter. Next, copy the second command from the description. Paste it and press Enter. Now copy the third command. Paste it and press Enter. Finally, copy the fourth command. Paste it and press Enter. After all commands are completed, close PowerShell. Next solution, reset Microsoft Store cache. Now search for wreset I. Click on Run as Administrator. After the process is finished, right-click on the Windows Start button and restart your PC. That's it. After restarting, Microsoft Store should work properly and apps should install without the 0x80244007 error. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy Windows fixes.